everybody, welcome to another video. As you guys requested, you guys wanted some more driving around at nighttime clips, so it's just about sunset. Already happened, so hope you guys enjoy this one. It's gonna be a couple of our boys just going for a cruise to the lakefront, get some ice cream and stuff. And yeah, as you guys can see on my story, I did have an issue on the G35. Yesterday I was driving and the car just completely turned off. It was like almost like it was trying to find the idle, but it just stalled out. So I did further diagnosis and stuff today, and I did a whole bunch of stuff. I just, you know, drained the catch can. I also, whatever, I had the car jacked up. Checked the crank sensor because I do have a transmission leak at the bell housing. It's the front cover for the input shaft. So that is leaking and it's getting a little bit worse over time, but that's something I'll just keep to the side for now and build it when the car's down. I don't want to lose content, so for you guys, and I have the car running now, so it's good. So swapped in a new crank sensor. It was covered in dirt, so because of the oil leak. But now I did that, it's much well, after I did that, I did an idle relearn on the car, and it's completely okay now. Like, it's really good, so I'm pretty happy with that. Did the idle relearn because before this I would start it and it would just completely die. Then I would start it again, crank it a few times more, and it'll start and die again. So I did the idle relearn. Right after that, car is like, I don't think, consistently starting up fine and driving okay. So which is weird. So just to show you guys that, yo, like, boosted car, you'll have it, weird stuff like this happen. But just don't panic, just diagnose it properly and just make sure that, you know, just be patient, because before you start buying parts, just check the car, look at the simple stuff like air, fuel, and, you know, spark. So just start there, start with air first. And it's my boy's G37, soon to be boosted on with non-resonated test pipes. That G37 right there is going to be a future mid-mount turbo kit. He bought a boost of performance kit from Sasha, and he's running a similar turbo to mine, similar setup, and he already did he did the clutch on it, a couple other things to prep it, and now all that's left is the fuel mods and the turbo kit itself. So I'm excited for him. And we finally will have another boosted VQ for the channel that I can make video on and have a review. That thing's gonna be really dope. Mid-mount turbo kit. It's gonna put in a lot of work. VHR mid-mount is definitely a force to be reckoned with. That's basically the update on my car and what's going on right now. So just enjoy the drive now, and thank you guys. If you're this far, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what else you guys want to see. Enjoy the drive. Reminds me of like mine a little bit. Watch when if he gets both. Check that out, guys. Bye.